In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a Facebook profile. We'll walk through this on a laptop or desktop to keep things clear and easy to follow. By the end, you'll know where the blocking tools live, what restricted means, and a quick shortcut you can use directly from someone's profile. Start by opening Facebook and heading to your own profile. From there, look for the main menu in the upper right area and click Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps most account controls, including privacy and safety options. Next, select Settings. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Facebook updates the interface from time to time, but these options are consistently grouped in the same general area. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. This section controls who can see your information and how people interact with you. Within it, look for the option labeled Blocking. Go ahead and open that. The blocking page is your control center for managing who can interact with you, and it includes both your block list and the restricted list. Here's an important clarification. The restricted list is for cases where you want to stay connected with someone as a friend but limit what they can see. When you add someone to restricted, they remain your friend, but they'll only see content you set to public. This is handy if you need more privacy without cutting ties completely. You can use the restricted list here to add profiles you want to limit. Just search for the person and add them. This won't notify them, and you can remove them later if you change your mind. If you need stronger boundaries, blocking is the better option. Blocking prevents the person from seeing your profile, tagging you, messaging you, adding you as a friend, or interacting with you in most places on Facebook. Instead of navigating through settings, there's also a quick way to block someone right from their profile. Visit the person's profile, click the three dots, often labeled as More, located near the Message or Friends button, and choose Block. Facebook will typically show a brief summary of what blocking does and ask you to confirm. When you confirm, the block takes effect immediately. That's it. Use the restricted list when you just want to limit visibility, and use Block when you want to stop all interactions. Take a moment to choose the option that fits your situation, and you'll have more control over your experience on Facebook.